Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Workspace with Asana for file collaboration, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Google Workspace with Asana for file collaboration, begin by logging into your Google Workspace account. Next, open a new tab in your browser and go to the Asana website. If you don't have an Asana account yet, click on the Sign Up button and complete the registration process. Once you have your account ready, log into Asana. In your Asana dashboard, locate the project where you want to integrate Google Workspace. Click on the project to open it. Look for the project settings, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Integrations section. Here, find the option for Google Drive and click on it. You will be prompted to connect your Google Drive account to Asana. Select Connect to initiate the authentication process. A new window will appear asking you to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Enter your Google credentials and grant Asana the necessary permissions. This will allow Asana to access your Google Drive files. Once connected, you can return to your Asana project. Locate the area within your project where you want to add files. Click on the Attach button or simply drag and drop files from your computer. To add a file from Google Drive, select the Google Drive option from the file picker. You can now browse your Google Drive for the specific file you'd like to collaborate on. Choose the file and click on Select to attach it to your Asana task. This file can now be accessed by all team members involved in the project. For seamless collaboration, consider using the comments section of each task to provide updates. Encourage team members to utilize the Google Workspace tools for real-time collaboration on documents. With this setup, your team can efficiently work together using Asana and Google Workspace. Last, regularly check for notifications and updates in Asana to keep track of progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.